Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need owner-level access. Once confirmed, open Google Cloud Console and go to Billing. Start by selecting the billing account you intend to remove. Check linked projects and note any active services. You must unlink or migrate them first. Export recent invoices and billing exports to cloud storage so you retain records. This prevents data loss. Once done, use the account overview to identify projects still attached and prepare to detach each before attempting account removal. You will now unlink projects one by one. Navigate to each project's billing section and change or disable billing. If you encounter dependent services, pause or migrate them to another billing account to avoid outages. Make sure all invoices are paid and credits applied, because Google blocks account closure with outstanding balances. Once projects show no billing account, revisit the billing account page. Its linked projects count should drop to 0, which is required for removal. When 0 projects remain and balance is cleared, select Close Billing Account in Account Settings and confirm you are removing billing, not the projects themselves. You'll receive a confirmation email. Retain it with your exported invoices. If the close action fails, check for lingering IAM policies granting billing roles, unresolved invoices, or active marketplace subscriptions preventing closure. If needed, revoke billing permissions temporarily or contact support through console support to resolve stuck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.